Hello, Peter here, Pinoy Accountant, and in this video, pag-usapan natin yung mga tax deadlines for this month of September 2025. So, good news! Ayan, kita nyo naman, wala tayong masyadong deadline for September. Yung deadline lang natin is mostly yung remittance and payment ng mga withholding taxes natin. So, yung deadline yan is September 10. That is this coming Wednesday na. So, malapit na yung deadline. So, ano ba yung mga common na mga withholding taxes na kailangan natin i-file and i-remit dun sa BIR? So, first is the 1601C. So, ito yung withholding tax of mga compensation. So, if ever you have mga employees, so nag-withhold kayo ng sa kanilang compensation ng withholding tax, or kahit walang withholding tax na kayo withhold, especially dun sa mga minimum wage earners, at yung 1601C is nandun sa certificate of registration ninyo, kailangan nyo din mag-file ng 1601C. So, may portion kasi dun sa form itself, yung ilalagay natin is for the minimum wage earners. So, minimum wage earners man, or if may withholding taxes kayo for the compensation, kailangan nyo mag-file ng 1601C. And again, that is for the month of August. Yung deadline yan is September 10. So this is again for the non-EFPS filers. So most of us naman is non-EFPS. So yung next natin na deadline is itong 0619E, or the expanded withholding tax. And the final withholding tax naman for the month of August then. So yung deadline is again September 10. So yung mga deadlines na pinag-usapan natin is September 10. Ayan. So ano ba yung 0619E? So if ever may mga kayo yung income payer at may portion dun sa inyong payment, for example, in most cases, ito is mag-a-apply. For example, you are leasing, may linis kayo na office space and kailangan nyo magbayad doon sa inyong ng rent doon sa owner or sa lessor ninyo. So, if hindi nyo alam, kailangan nyo mag-withhold ng 5% ng inyong rent payments doon sa inyong mga landlords ninyo or yung owner or ng lessor ninyo. Kailangan nyo i-withhold nyo ng 5% ng kanilang rent payments that is required. So, yung portion na withhold ninyo, kailangan nyo i-file yon at i-remit sa BIR, and that is using the form 0619E. And yung deadline yan is again September 10. So, malapit na yung deadline. So, in our upcoming videos, if hindi nyo pa alam kung paano ba mag-file nung na-mention kanina 1601C and for the compensation, and the 0619E for the expanded withholding tax, yan, in our upcoming videos, abang-abangan ninyo, I will make video step-by-step guide kung paano ba fill outan yung form ng 1601C and the 0619E. Ayan. So, next natin is, aside dun sa expanded withholding tax, that yung FWT naman, 0619F. So, hindi ito masyadong applicable sa atin. So, yung pinaka common na example niyan is yung mga banks natin is may final withholding tax. I mean yung interest on bank deposits natin. If pansinin niyo doon sa inyong mga bank statements, nakalagay diyan is the final withholding tax. So yung bank mismo yung magre-remit niyan and magpa-file kay BIR, that is using yung 0619F. Ayan. So yung last natin is ito, bago lang to, 1600 watt. I mean, bago lang to na applicable sa atin, especially if we are availing yung mga non-resident na digital service providers, kagaya ng mga Canva, yung mga Google, ayan, if nag-avail tayo nun, and we declared sa kanila that we are an entity doing business here in the Philippines. So in that case, kayo yung mag-withhold mismo nung VAT portion na yon, yung na-mention natin in our previous video. If hindi nyo pa napanood, ilalagay ko yung link dun sa video sa ating description box. So yung VAT portion, yung 12% VAT portion na yon, kayo yung magfa-file nun and magre-remit kay BIR, and that is using the 1600 VT. So that is for the month of August. So for example, nag-avail kayo ng Canva and for the month of August, ayan, for example, 1,000 pesos yon, and kailangan nyo i-add yung 12%. So yung 12% niyan, that is 120. So kayo yung mag-remit niyan and magpa-file kay BIR using the 1600 VT. So in our upcoming video, probably we could give an example step-by-step guide kung paano i-file din yung 1600 VT or the VAT. the month of August 2025. So again, yun lang yung mga deadlines natin is yung for September, yung kailangan lang natin tandaan is the September 10, Wednesday, yun yung mga deadline for the withholding taxes, yung compensation, yung nabanggit natin kanina, expanded withholding tax, final tax, and of course, yung VAT. So, yun lang yung deadline natin for September. So, yun lang yung ating video for today. My name is Peter, your Pinoy accountant. If may mga tanong kayo, just comment down below. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Pinoy accountant, madami pa tayong pag-usapan about mga taxes, about bookkeeping, about filing. Ayan. So, lahat yan pag-usapan natin in our channel, Pinoy accountant. Again, thank you very much. And if may tanong kayo, just comment down below and I'll see you in our next videos.